Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about the JFrame in Java. As we studied in every lecture and we make the JFrame in every lecture. But here we just see how this JFrame works separately. The Java jx.swing.jframe class is a type of container which inherits the java.awt.frame class. JFrame works like main window there where components like labels, buttons, text fields are added to and create a GUI. Unlike JFrame, unlike Frame and JFrame has the option to hide or close the window with a help of set default on close operation method. Now I just import a library which is java.awt.flow layout. Now I just import library of javax.swing.j button and import javax.swing.j frame. Now I just import javax.swing.j label and import javax.swing.j panel, right? And it's jpanel. Now I have a class of JFrame, and then in the JFrame class I just define public static void main and string arguments. Okay, now JFrame, which is frame, is equal to new JFrame, and I just gave it the name which is JFrame. So JPanel, and it's panel which is equal to panel which is equal to new J panel. Okay, and it's a capital J frame. So we create a frame and the panel. So I just write panel dot set layout, and the layout which is new flow layout. Okay, and then J label, and the label which is equal to new J label. Okay, and here I just write J frame, and then J button, which is the button is equal to new J button. Okay, and button dot set text, and the text here is button. And now panel dot add, and the add here is label. Now panel dot add, and the add is button, and we have no constants, and panel dot add, and the add here is panel, and that were the constants, and then frame dot set size, and the size here is 200 and 300. And now frame dot set location, and the location is, sorry, it's a relative location. Set, sorry, frame dot set, and location is relative to null. And now frame dot set default on close operation, which is J frame, and dot exit on close, and then I just write frame dot set visible. So visible here is true. So I just run this code, and I have an error here is which is the main thread and adding the containers parent itself and check itself unknown resources and JFrame. Yes, we have an error in line number 13, which is frame.add panel. You can see here JFrame and the button and the panel, and this is our frame. You can see this is our JFrame and the label here and the panel and the button. You can see here. So this is the simple example of JFrame in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.